Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting.
Okay, Zone Guard.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia. For station WXJ7 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties.
That cut out.
For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Current risk statement for the following.
That cutout though.
You good, bro? And you can check out that's what the same system does online. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and again, threatened. This includes a weekly test program.
That was the goofiest weekly I think I've ever heard from Ruskin.
Synopsis. Showers and a few storms will be possible this afternoon and evening south of Interstate 4 as a weak cold front pushes southeast through the area. This front will bring in slightly cooler dry air for tonight and Thursday. Then temperatures will warm back up to end the week. The current time is 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Synopsis. Showers and a few storms will be possible this afternoon and evening south of Interstate 4 as a weak cold front pushes southeast through the area.
Oh, God. Salem. Salem.
Hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and patterns include Tallahassee. Hello, quick Thomasville, Alma, Dills, Thomasville Airport, Greenville, Dillon, Everett, Hamburg, Nash, Mississippi, Lovell, Lincoln, West Lane Express. Daylight time for Big Bend is the tornado watch remains in effect until until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Florida. Tornado watch number 113 remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Madison.
Oh shoot! What the heck?
Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
What?
County in East Central Florida until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wait, huh?
At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge or near Playlanda Beach, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Where the heck did this come
60 miles
from?
per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Playlanda Beach and Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge.
God damn!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay.
The weather roundup at 3 p.m. At the Orlando International Airport, under partly sunny skies, the temperature was 88 degrees and the relative humidity 49%. Southwest wind at 12 miles per hour. The pressure 30.00 inches and falling. Other local weather reports. For Leesburg, mostly sunny skies. Temperature 86 degrees. Wind south at 5 miles per hour. Sanford, partly sunny skies. Temperature 87 degrees. Wind north at 7 miles per hour.
Where the heck did this come from? What? Okay. Echo, make the weather room red.
You have one red message.
What the heck? They just issued a marine. They just issued a marine warning, and I was like, oh, that's it. No. What the heck? That sounded cool. Hold on. Okay, everything is on now. Holy crap. That sounded actually pretty cool. I was not expecting to get a warning at all. Why didn't you go off?
You have one red message.
Protection move to...
The ERs are on, so if they issue something out, they will be good. But
International Airport, under part...
wow, and you didn't go off.
degrees and the relative humidity 49...
Oh my gosh, okay. SVR.
Entries include Madison, Greenville, Lee, Hamburg, Hanson, and Pometa. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida, and South Central Georgia. A tornado watch remains until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida. Your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Florida. Tornado watch.
Another SVR for Madison. Is this about to be a doubleheader?
Flight 60 until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 26 nautical miles northeast of Daytona Beach shores, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Special marine warning. The special marine warning is canceled. The affected areas were Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles, Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 20 to 60 nautical miles. The thunderstorm has moved out of the warned area and no longer poses a significant threat to boaters. The current time is 4:13.
I think that was actually a double header, but I missed the first part because I didn't want to get it. It was a Jacksonville one, but okay.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Suwannee, Florida. These are the 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Your weather roundup at 5 p.m. continue to dominate, keeping warm and mostly dry conditions in place through the week with near record high temperatures possible.
Through 7, Thursday
The
through
current
Tuesday.
time is 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 p.m. Wednesday, April 5th, 2023 for the EAS 505 listening area for the following counties in Florida: Hernando in Sumter, including the cities of Crystal River, Inverness, Bushnell, the villages, Brookville, and Spring Hill. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Dang, that sounded cool. And I forgot to put that thing on KBS, but oh well. These two things went off. This thing went off on time. This thing went off. So basically a perfect deviation from everything today, because everything went off at least once.
You have one red message.
Yes, I know, 519. Dang. All the first headers went off at the same time. Let's see. Yep. 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 Sick.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Olive, 4 years old, 2 feet tall, 30 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen in the area of the 37780 or 911 pound timber. Police departments at 727